marking out spots to drill holes to attach the top. I will elongate those holes to allow for wood movement. I'm drilling a hole at each end of the line, and then I will connect the two holes with the router. I'm using a small straight router bit to connect the two holes that I previously drilled. Once the screw is in this channel, that will allow the top to move with expansion and contraction. Now that the channel's been made, I can align the top to the base. I want the back of the top to be flush with the back of the base, and then I want the equal reveal around both sides and in the front. As you can see, this is worth taking the time to get it right. You don't want to attach it in the wrong location. Once I'm happy with the placement, I can clamp it down. I'm drilling the holes in the bottom of the top for the screws. I'm doing my best to align the drill bit in the middle of the channel so that the screw can move in either direction. Now for the screws. Now that the top is attached, I can finish sanding it. I use a pencil to make a mark so I know when the pencil line is gone, I can move to the next grit. Seriously, how many sanders does one person need? If you stayed through all this sanding, I applaud you. I appreciate you giving this video your time. Make sure that you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great week.